Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session to discuss about how to compile and run of Java programs. So first of all, what is meant by compile? Compile of Java program. Compile. Compilation means to convert source code file into bytecode formation. C. Compilation means to convert source code file into bytecode file format. Bytecode. C. Bytecode formation. See, bytecode is not equal to machine code. I have discussed laterly. The source code file extension is, for example, sample.java, the extension of the source code file. The extension of the bytecode file formation is sample.class. The extension of the source, the extension of the byte. When our compilation of this file, the file can be converted into this file. We can compilation of the any Java programming file using of the tool Java C tool, using of the tool Java C tool. In Java C tool is available JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. The JDK is available Java Environmental. In the environmental, JDK tool is available. See, the process of compilation of the Java program. See, we can write the first of all syntax about that. After write the example related syntax. Write the tool. The tool name is Java C. Must be write the space. After space, given the file name dot file name. File name always dot extension is given that. The example, see, Java C. For example, file name is sample.java. Whenever enter, use that to check the compilation process. Whenever compilation error, given the error message. Cannot any error in this file, the file can be converted into the bytecode formation. The next one is how to run Java program or execution of the Java program. Run Java program. We can run any Java program to convert bytecode file into the executable code. See, bytecode file into the executable code file. See, the extension of the bytecode is, we know that sample dot class. The extension of the executable code sample dot exe, like that. The extension of the executable code, the extension of the bytecode. We can run Java applications, not applets, only Java standalone applications using of the tool Java. This tool is available JDK, we know that. JDK means Java Development Kit. The JDK is available environmental system, Java environment. See, how to run of the Java programming, given the syntax after giving the example. Syntax write the tool is Java. After write the class name. We can write the class name of the program. See the example related, we can write Java. For example, class name is a sample. The example syntax. See, some confusion is there. Your program can contain the user class as well as a main class. Which class can be called? Some confusion. Always we can run any Java program must be write or must be called only main class name, not calling for the user class. When you are calling for the user class, cannot give in the output because that class cannot contain the main method. We can run any Java programming must contain the main method or command line arguments. That command line arguments can contain the one class, the class can be write. That class can be display the output. So this is the what is the operation compilation and execution of Java program. Thank you watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is NV Rao IT. Please promote all of you. Thank you.